Hello everyone and welcome to Crypto Lion. I promise it's not millionaire season, but it appears that Dogecoin has created a few millionaires. When the currency first began trading, it's difficult to say people expected that the currency will get to such heights. However, the currency price has shot up, which means that some people's assets have gone up in value. Remember that in order to keep inflation down, the founders of Dogecoin have repeatedly increased the supply of the currency in order to ensure that the prices don't rise suddenly. This has helped more and more people get into the currency, but the currency's value remains pretty low. However, it was lower, and when some people bought into it, they became millionaires, which means you could be a purchase away from becoming one, right? Well, that depends on how and when you buy. Some people invested their life savings into the cryptocurrency and still haven't gone out of their positions, so it's pretty easy to see how they can equally become millionaires. No one invests without an objective. Are you investing to complete a project, or are you simply looking for ways to grow your income and live better? These things determine how and why people invest. So let's get into it. It's important to know that there is a dose of luck, as most of the people that invest in crypto do so in order for them to own some digital assets. So are there Doge millionaires? Well, if you look around through the hundreds of YouTube videos, you can see just how many people are monetizing the cryptocurrency. Some of the people that invested in Dogecoin before it was riding high have become millionaires. But that is not surprising. Before we go any further, we should point out that there are two types of Doge millionaires. There are the people who invested in the cryptocurrency when it was trading low and have made a quick buck, but they equally owned millions of the coin. It would appear that they got in early into their positions or have managed to mine considerable sums of it. This is important because some people bought the currency with cash and others simply acquired large portions of the cryptocurrency. Before we move on, make sure you leave a like on this video, tap the subscribe button, and turn on post notifications on this channel, as it helps more people find us and equally helps you get up-to-date information on developments on Doge and the broader crypto market. Over the past few years, there's been a noticeable rise in the popularity and value of various cryptocurrencies. Several millionaires have emerged after buying Dogecoin. We did a recent video about the Los Angeles executive who became a millionaire after investing all of his savings into the crypto asset. Not only did he buy the low, but he also didn't cash out on his positions and became the latest Dogecoin millionaire. That's not bad if you think about it, but other people own huge chunks of Dogecoin. Official records reveal that a single individual owns over 28% of Dogecoin. The single investor, according to Business Insider, is worth about $2.1 billion. So there are Dogecoin millionaires, but equally Dogecoin billionaires, even though some of these entities have not yet been identified. Isn't it incredible that some people bought vast sums of the currency and can just sit back and watch its price rise? After all these Elon Musk tweets, it's surprising that the pace has risen to new highs, to the point where even the lows after Doge Day saw the currency hover around its 33-cent support level. That's not bad for a currency that was worth a few pennies. Also, numerous studies show that the value of Doge tends to rise after Elon Musk tweets about the currency, and there's no shortage of tweets. As the memes have become wilder, the scope for the currency to lose ground has equally shrunk. However, the 33-year-old Los Angeles resident known as Glauber Conte-Soto told the newspaper Newsweek that he does not regret hanging on to his tokens, even as the value of the cryptocurrency has dropped again. According to Coinbase, the value of Doge is estimated to be around 40 to 44 cents, and I'd like to remind us that this is not bad, as the currency basically fell off a cliff after Doge Day, and is back up towards its 45 cents range. Can you imagine what that means for people who bought Doge when it was 1 cent? I'll let you be the judge of that, but if a cryptocurrency that started as a joke can rise to a valuation of $30 billion at any one time, I wonder what that means for all the people who have invested in it. Also, while there are many naysayers, the value of Doge will continue to rise, as there are not many people who can or want to invest in Bitcoin without having enough assets parked elsewhere. Also, if most of us remember when Bitcoin first started trading, most people thought it would be worth nothing after the market crashed because it was based on nothing. There was no financial asset backing the currency. Things like real estate and crude oil were not close to the currency's valuation. So the same story is happening with Doge. While millionaires are being made, some people think that the currency will eventually go to zero. Well, this prospect is simply not in line with the ethos of the currency. Remember that it was created to facilitate the payment of goods and services, such as broadband connections in Canada and football tickets in the US. The cryptocurrency, which started as a joke in 2013, recently topped a valuation of $10 billion and has reached the same valuation as companies such as Shake Shack and Under Armour. That's not bad, as the cryptocurrency will likely continue to rise in the coming years, and Dogecoin will create many more millionaires and billionaires. This is super cool for people who bought the dip or have not bothered to sell out their positions recently, because when the crypto markets are down, it feels as though all alarm bells are ringing. However, the alarm bells and expert concerns are always there, and they're not likely to change. Also, the meme-inspired cryptocurrency had been relatively under the radar compared to Bitcoin and other altcoins. In 2021, however, it's been given the spotlight as celebrities began throwing their weight behind the currency. The fact that it was equally based on a Shiba Inu meme goes to show how a meme can become a currency of choice. I think when Elon Musk describes it as the currency of the people, he's referring to the fact that it will become more democratic over time, and many more people will adopt the cryptocurrency. On February 9th, the price of Dogecoin jumped by as much as 31% when Elon Musk and rapper Snoop Dogg tweeted about the currency. This sent the value way higher, as most of their followers, both newcomers to the crypto market or skeptics, saw this as a sign of approval. So the demand for the currency shot up and the price followed suit. Arguably the most entertaining outcome, the most ironic outcome, would be that Dogecoin becomes the currency of Earth in the future, Musk said. Some traders say that the 28% could point to several possibilities, including an exchange trading Dogecoin or a single owner such as Musk himself. On February 15th, Musk said that the problem is the concentration of Dogecoin among a few holders. Musk once said that he would help Dogecoin become the currency of the internet. If major Dogecoin holders sell most of their coins, it will get my full support, he said in a tweet. Too much concentration is the only real issue in my opinion. I will literally pay actual dollars if they just void their accounts. It's only gained popularity recently due to the bull run that's taken place across the crypto sector, namely Ethereum and Bitcoin, creating hype and a sense of FOMO amongst mainstream investors, Pavel Mativ, CEO of crypto card company Wirex, told Insider. The Tesla boss has repeatedly tweeted about the cryptocurrency and has even spoken about the currency on Clubhouse. This means that while he's not an investor in the crypto, he's definitely given his sign of approval. Not only has he joined the memes across Twitter, he equally called it the currency of the people. This is quite logical as it's very cheap, and many more people can afford it rather than Bitcoin or Ethereum. Meanwhile, some people are not aligning with the Tesla boss. Melton Demirors, chief strategy officer at CoinShares, told CNBC, "It's a classic sort of bubble in my view. I'm not saying it's good or bad. Dogecoin is not for me. My firm does not produce analysis on Dogecoin for a reason. We don't have a Dogecoin exchange-traded product in the market. We don't trade Dogecoin." Even so, Elon Musk has not stopped tweeting about Doge. Not only is the Tesla boss slated to appear on SNL in the coming week, but he also has equally tweeted that he's the Doge father. While he makes fun of the currency and joins in with the huge Doge community, the price continues to soar, and the currency is set to breach its key 45 cents level. In some of our previous videos, which we encourage you to watch, we showed you how the currency would break some of its key resistance levels and eventually get to $1 and even $3. In his Reddit post, one of the Doge millionaires said, "I bought on February 5th, 2021, about 5 million Dogecoins at about 4 cents. 69 days later, on April 15th, 2021, I became a millionaire. My plan is once I hit $10 million, then I'll take out 10%. In his opinion, this stuff is going to continue to grow. He and others plan to hold their currencies for much longer to benefit from greater increases in price. The fact of the matter is that people are investing in Doge, and there are likely to be more millionaires in the coming months and years." Thanks for watching until the end of this video. If you liked it, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on post notifications. We provide regular updates on developments in the market and will do well to keep you informed. If you have any questions, comments, or suggestions, leave them down below in the comment section. Good luck and happy investing.
That's how it goes. Hollywood Carson.